Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim a free trial for any online service to test features before committing, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the official website of the service you want to try. Look for prominent buttons or links that say Free Trial, Try for Free, or Start Free Trial. Step 2. Click on the free trial button to begin the sign-up process. This will typically take you to a registration or account creation page. Step 3. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and any other required details. Step 4. Create a strong password for your account and make sure to save it securely. Some services may also require you to verify your email address before proceeding. Step 5. Enter your payment information if required. Many services need a credit card on file even for free trials, but you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 6. Review the trial terms and conditions, paying special attention to the trial length and what happens when the trial ends. Note the cancellation policy and auto-renewal date. Step 7. Complete the sign-up process and start using the service immediately. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't wish to continue with a paid subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.